That's a happy dog.
Turn it off accidentally.
He's snoring. Oh, I was just making sure it was on.